Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Stake to Binance. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your preferred browser and search for Stake. A bunch of search results will appear on your screen. Simply access the first one and you will on this page. Here, sign into your account and this type of interface will appear. Now tap on this wallet option, then on tap on withdraw. Now select the cryptocurrency which you would like to withdraw. For this video, I would like to withdraw USDT. Then select the network. I want to use the BNB Smart Chain because it has low fees. Now head to your wallet. For the sake of this video, I'll be using Binance, so now head over to your wallet. So now let me head over to my wallet. Then head over to your spot section of funding, depending on which one you have crypto. Now tap on your USDT. So now I'll just tap on deposit. Then select the network. Note that you must have to select the same network that you have selected in Stake, because if you will do any mistake, your data will be lost. Now just copy this address and head back to Stake. Here paste this address, which you copied from Binance. After that, put the amount you want to withdraw and then tap on withdraw. Now, Stake will send you a verification code on your email. Just copy that code and enter here. And that's it. You will be able to withdraw from Stake to Binance. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Stake to Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.